When you're an artist and you spend all of your time creating things, it's really hard when there's failure. But it happens. It happens to all of us, and it happens to me too. It's, one of those weeks where all the artistic risks that you're trying to do just don't pay off. And for me, I'll end up leaving the studio with nothing to show for my time. And it's a total bummer. When that happens to me, I don't walk away and do something else, because in this case, I need to rebuild my confidence. So instead, I draw or knit something that I know I can do successfully. Maybe it has a really simple composition or something that is already planned for the knitting machine, and then all I have to do is run the machine. Or even just do some tiny sketches, just something that I can walk away from the studio that day feeling like, okay, I've made something new today that wasn't there before. And then that helps destroy all my horrible feelings of failure and how it has beat down my confidence and keeps me ready to come in the next day fueled and ready to create.